Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're comparing four of the most popular vehicles in America, the Toyota RAV4, Ford F-Series, Tesla Model Y, and the Honda CR-V. Whether you're looking for power, practicality, or pure electric performance, one of these is going to fit your lifestyle perfectly. Let's dive in. The Toyota RAV4 has built its reputation on reliability, fuel efficiency, and strong resale value. With available hybrid options, plenty of cargo room, and Toyota's well-known durability, the RAV4 is a favorite for families and commuters alike. If you want something worry-free with great mileage and a long life ahead of it, the RAV4 is hard to beat. Next up is the Ford F-Series, America's best-selling truck for decades. Whether it's the F-150 or the heavy-duty lineup, the F-Series delivers massive towing capacity, a wide range of engines, and modern tech features like Ford's onboard generator. If you need a dependable truck for work or weekend adventures, the F-Series sets the standard. Now let's talk about the Tesla Model Y. This is one of the best-selling electric vehicles in the world. It offers impressive acceleration, long driving range, and access to Tesla's huge supercharger network. Combine that with a minimalist interior and advanced tech, and you've got a futuristic, practical EV. If you're ready to go electric, the Model Y deserves a spot at the top of your list. And finally, the Honda CR-V, known for its smooth ride, roomy interior, and excellent fuel economy, especially the hybrid. The CR-V is a perfect choice for anyone who wants comfort and everyday practicality. It's easy to drive, efficient, and refined. So which one should you choose? Go with the Toyota RAV4 if you're after reliability and great gas mileage. Choose the Ford F-Series if you need power and towing capability. Pick the Tesla Model Y if you want cutting-edge tech and electric performance. And choose the Honda CR-V if you want comfort, efficiency, and a solid daily driver. Alright, which one would you take home? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more car reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.